Horse Program is weekly update.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the 18th episode of my weekly update. I'm your horse programmer, and Happy New Year. I've taken a little break from making these videos, and I'm excited to release a new one. A lot of things has happened since my last video, so this one will be looking at some of the things I've done since last time. So first of all, in my last video I showed you the first part of a bookstore app that I've been working on. So this one is pretty much finished now. As I showed you last episode, we have a couple of bookstores with a lot of inventory, different books that we can enter into the store, and if we did sell one of these, we can modify this, and we can press the save button to put this in the SQL Server database. So what happened since last time is that we now have a beautiful main menu welcoming us to our bookstore, and we can also navigate to our new section, which is the catalog. So for this bookstore, they have a catalog of books that they currently have are able to sell. So we can add books and remove books to this catalog. So this is I made a lot of work on this. So what we can do here is we can add new books. So let's try and add the horse book. This all of these fields are checked if they are all right. So we get a lot of message boxes saying, for example, missing title here. Let's put that back, and we have an ISBN 13 number, which shouldn't be a duplicate to something we already have, because these are unique, and we shouldn't have the same book multiple times in the database. We have a release date. Let's go with 010101. Price of the book. 2 different languages currently supported in this app. And here we go. We can have multiple authors of a book or only one. So this is maybe not the most user-friendly design, but it works. And that was the most important part in the I thought, to make it actually work. So we have a list of authors that we have in our database. So we can say that Rowling wrote this book and the programmer wrote this book. We can put a subcategory, audience, and a publisher. And so this one is added to the database. Currently only showing the author's surnames. This is a problem, but that's how we're doing it right now. So we can also remove a book from the database. This is a test book I made before. And we can edit a book. Let's try and make this release date 33rd January of year 1. So as you can see, we have a lot of checks here. Let's add another author, Herbert. So I think I also fixed so this can't add multiple of the same authors. So that's good, I guess. General fiction, update book. Yeah. We also have the ability to manipulate the authors in the database. So we can either edit an author with these fields, or we can add an author, horse programmer 2, and let's add the horse programmer 2 to this book, I guess. So as you can see, we have a lot of authors here on this one. And that's basically this app. So it works pretty good. Yep. I've also been working with a document database and the handling of that. And for that, I revisited an old project of mine, the Dungeon Crawler. So what I did is make it so that, we can have saved games for this. So I've did some stuff here. I made a menu, like a more nice menu to this game. We have all our saved games here, or save files. We can have 3 maximum. Old school gaming. As you can see, we got a connection to the Void, which in this case is the MongoDB database. We can we can play the game as before. I also added some in-game stuff. Actually, I made another level, so that's pretty funny. You can't win the game, so that's a feature I will be looking into soon. But we can ascend and descend the dungeon, so that's pretty neat, I think. We also have an in-game menu where we can save our game and choose between our save files, because this one isn't on a save file at the moment. So let's go with number 2. And we can also look at the log, which are logging every turn here and what happens. So a feature should be that when you move, you don't get a ton of messages like this. You can get you move X times. We can go back to the main menu and start a new game, and go to main menu and load, and let's try it out. Yes, we loaded the second game. Perhaps I can show you what happens as well if we terminate our Mongo database or server. So since we already loaded this, I think we can do that. But if we want to save now, you can see that we're trying to save but not getting a connection. So we can't save. That sucks. And now if we go back to our main menu, we can see that we are not connected to the Void anymore. But I made a feature so you can try and retry this connection. So I guess this is if the game would be actually connected to the internet and your internet was down. And so you can try and solve that and reconnect. So if I start my database again and I retry the connection, we are connected to the Void and we can go again. yeah, I think that's it for this video. I finished a course last week, and I've been started doing web development now. So next week I will probably show you a website of some sorts. But until then, have a good time and take care, and see you. Bye.